Today, we're going to show you how to use Maatkit to emulate a slow query log that can have a long query time of less than 1 second. This feature is not available in stock distributions of MySQL 5.0. First, we'll get the script. Note that there is no need to install anything. We simply wget the script and it's ready to run. Next, we invoke mkQueryDigest using the process list option. This tells it to issue the showFullProcessList command at the specified interval, in this case 0.01 seconds. The amount of time it should spend collecting queries is workload dependent, but as a general rule, 15 to 30 minutes of tracking during peak times should give an adequate representation of query distribution. Through the magic of video editing, about 20 minutes has elapsed. We can stop the collection process by issuing a Control-C, at which point mkQueryDigest issues a report of items it has collected over the tracking period. The report begins with some overall statistics. How many queries were issued over the time period and how many unique queries that represented. Also, what the total summed execution time was, as well as the average execution time, minimum, and maximum. By default, mkQueryDigest orders queries by expense. The most expensive query here was issued 193 times, which represented 13% of the total queries executed. These executions took 158 seconds, representing 47% of the total execution time. Ideally, the percentage of executions would match the percentage of time. In this case, it does not, indicating that we will probably need to tune the query. Next in the report is the query time distribution histogram. Note that because we invoked mkQueryDigest with an interval of 0.01 seconds, we cannot capture queries that take less time than that to execute. mkQueryDigest gives us a list of the tables that were involved, with showTableStatus and showCreateTable conveniently written out so that we can copy and paste directly into a MySQL window. It completes with a sample query, preceded by an explain, so that we can again copy and paste to look at the query execution plan. We hope that you found this screencast useful.